So you got 3 now.
He's not in yet.
He's not in yet?
Fred's stuck right here. Freddy.
We'll get him.
He's in. I got one. That's some dirty water.
That's some dirty water, yes.
Here, we're gonna get he's the fattest one of them all. Oh wait, he's in the middle. He's in the middle. Bye,
Here's
Fred.
all of
Bye,
the
Jeffrey.
tadpoles they caught. I
There's
caught some
9.
too. 9?
Bye, Fred.
9?
Bye, Jeffrey, and especially to Tom.
Especially to Tom. Okay. You're gonna let him go? Okay, let him go. Okay, they all out? Very good. Okay, time.
Look at the water.
Oh yeah, it's disgusting. Okay, time to go on the trail. You having fun with the stones, huh? Is it fun? Okay, let's go for the trail.
No, Rocky.
You're gonna go across? Here they go. They're gonna go across. They're gonna get wet. That wasn't on the rock.
It's a wet in my sneakers. It's a wet in my sneakers.
Come on, Jess. That really works.
It's kind of geese.
Can you guys make it up this hill?
Yes.
Yes? You can't make it up the hill. Look at Richard go. Ah! Go ahead. This is not really a big slope, Jess. Behave. You're not going down, sweetie. Did you notice that?
Can't do it.
You can't do it.
My head feels too dizzy. I don't want to get up.
See the weird things these kids do? Oh!
We're going to be there. On a rocket and roll up the. After this, I'm going on the beach. You want to see me go on the beach?
Okay. The bee.
Oh! I'm going to sting you, Mom!
Ah, no!
We gotta go to the hospital!
Oh my, you guys are heavy. Get out of the way, Jess! He's gonna fall. Okay.
This is extreme. It's not for rolling down a mountain. We're climbing down a log.
Balancing, yeah, whoa.
And then we're gonna roll down that hill.
You gonna roll down the hill? Okay.
Extreme.
Extreme. Go ahead.
This is gonna hurt, maybe. I don't really care.
Okay. Time to go home and change for the movies.
I don't want to go.
Bye, love you.